Watch me now, the stage is bright. We're gonna light it up tonight. Dance until the morning light. Little dreams on the screen, feel the energy rising. This is our moment, let's ignite the night.
Can I please have your autograph? I'm your biggest fan.
Of course, sweetie.
Here you go. Why do people only like Rumi and Mira and not me?
But I just want to try my luck.
That's an awesome idea, Mira.
Okay.
Whoa.
In here. Okay.
Oh no, what happened to your face?
Don't worry, I will help you.
Don't worry. Ouch!
Ew.
That hurts! Calm down. More or less clean now. Those eyebrows nicely. Ouch! Your eyebrows will be pretty. Amazing results! Once we're done, let's clean up all the pimples. Nothing here.
Wow.
Some Q-tips. A Q-tip.
Good.
Look, pimples are all gone. Oh no, what happened to your eye mask? Oh no, wait. The eye mask.
Yeah.
We just have to wait. Bye-bye, critters. Wow! Thank you so much! Now, the under eye mask. That's it! And then we massage your face using the ice globes. Let's give it a gentle massage.
Tasty.
Wow.
Wow, colorful Band-Aids.
Woohoo!
Gonna use some Band-Aids to cover them up. And another on your shoulder. We just have to wait.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, looks like it's time for us to remove the Band-Aids.
Woohoo!
Wow, her wound is healed. And don't forget the lips.
Okay.
Bye-bye, lip mask.
Well done.
Facial wash. We gotta wash it off with a facial wash. Rub it well till it's foamy. Much better.
Good.
Facial mask. Let's open it. Don't worry, we'll use a facial mask.
Well done.
Let's start. Ice globes! Ice globe massage time! Time to take it off!
Okay.
Well done! I like this one! It's makeup time! Yippee!
Whoa.
How exciting!
Nothing here.
Ah, this one! Wow, contact lenses!
Wow.
Fabulous!
I'm going to the princess party. Wow. Woo. Wow. Wow.
Face powder! Cool! It even comes with a cute powder puff! It smells so good!
Let me help become more beautiful. Okay.
An eyeshadow palette! Wow, the shade suits you very well! I love it! Now on the other eye. What should we do with mascara?
Nothing here. No. Aha, let's go.
Wow, a mascara tube! Yippee! It's gonna make your lashes look super pretty. Well done! Long lashes. Like you're more blooming than ever. I love how you look. Eyebrow pencil. We got a... Yay! It's a nice shade of pink lipstick. Wow, shiny and pink. Oh wow, it's a blush on. An eyeshadow brush. Wow, the shade suits you very well. Oh, so pretty. Makeup look is done. Let's give Mira a... They're so messy. That's an awesome idea, Rumi. Let's go.
Okay.
Now let's use shampoo to wash her hair. Two. Rub the shampoo in gently. My hair looks so nice, and I was very grateful. Mira's hair.
Oh, yes.
Whoa.
You can relax now, Mira. The hair is so pretty. Ta-da! And a dress. It's gonna be a total makeover. Of course, the pearl necklace. Look at you. You're so pretty from head to toe. Well done. Awesome. Oh, wow. Thank you so